English cooking class. I'm Candy. How are you doing today? I'm very happy to see you again. Okay, I will give you a quiz and you get the answer. This is a very delicious, very famous Italian food. What is it? Very famous, very delicious Italian food. Can you guess it? Yeah, right, it's spaghetti. Today, we are gonna make a spaghetti with tomato sauce. Okay, let's see the stuff for making the spaghetti with tomato sauce. Today, we need onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion, onion. And today we need garlic, garlic, G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. And today we need tomato puree, tomato puree, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato puree. And today we need salt, salt. And today we need olive oil, olive oil. And we need parsley, parsley, parsley. And today we need spaghetti, spaghetti, S-P-A-G-H-E-T-T-I, spaghetti, S-P-A-G-H-E-T-T-I, spaghetti. Okay, let's get started. First of all, cut the garlic into tiny pieces. Cut the garlic into tiny pieces. Cut the garlic into tiny pieces. Okay, and then cut the onion into small pieces. Cut the onion into small pieces. Cut the onion into small pieces. Okay, on the cutting board. Okay, and hit the fry pan. And drizzle olive oil. Drizzle, drizzle, D-R-I-Z-Z-L-E, drizzle olive oil, and make sure it covers the bottom. Okay, and put garlic and onion into the oil. Okay, put garlic and onion into the oil. Put garlic and onion into the oil and keep stirring, and don't burn it. It makes it tender, just tender. Okay, okay, and keep stirring. And pour the tomato puree into the garlic and onion mixture. Okay, pour the tomato puree in garlic and onion mixture. Okay, and keep stirring. It's very important. Okay, pour the tomato puree into garlic and onion mixture. Tomato puree makes you a special professional chef. Tomato puree is that tomato make into smooth sauce by crushing them. Okay. You can get good quality tomato puree at any shop. Okay, And if you have a herb like parsley or basil, you can use it. Today, I have parsley, so I will sprinkle it. Okay. And mix well with your wooden spoon. Mix well with your wooden spoon. Good. It so smells so fresh. And then you put the cooked pasta into tomato. And now I use a pasta tongue. Toss the spaghetti through the tomato. Okay? Toss the spaghetti through the tomato. Toss the spaghetti through the tomato. Can you remember the spelling of spaghetti? Please tell me how to spell the spaghetti. Can you remember that? Yes? Right. S-P-A-G-H-E-T-T-I. Spaghetti. Okay. And season with a little salt. Season with a little salt. Season with little salt. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, let's read today's recipe. Step 1. Cut the garlic into tiny pieces. Cut the onion into small pieces. Step 2. Drizzle olive oil on the pan. Step 3. Put the garlic and onion into olive oil. Put the garlic and onion into olive oil. Step 4. Pour tomato puree. Pour tomato puree. Step 5. Season with salt. Season with salt. And last step, add cooked spaghetti. Add cooked spaghetti. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, let's get a dish. Let's get a dish. And place a spaghetti on the bowl. Place a spaghetti on the bowl. Wow, it looks perfect. And tomato too. Okay, can you see it? It looks so delicious. Okay. Okay, can I try it? Okay, it's so hot, so my mouth is watering. It's so fresh. Is it really from tomato puree? A can of tomato puree? Really? I can't believe it. It's incredible rich flavor and savory tomato. Wow. Incredible. It's so good. Do you want to try? You can make it by yourself in your kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, how is today's cooking class? You like it? I'm very happy you love our cooking class. Okay, see you next week.